It's kind of heavy, Ruby. I can't really move.
You don't have to move, Sammy. The ice cream blaster automatically finds a person who wants ice cream and then boom! It launches the perfect cone right into their hand.
We'll pretend to be your customers. Hello there. We would like some ice cream, please.
Sure.
Ta-da!
You did it, Sammy.
Oh, I did. Wow. I want to do that again.
Now's your chance. Look. Hey, Officer Carl. Want some ice cream?
Why, yes, I do.
No, stay there. Ice cream away.
Huh. It must need more power.
I can fix that. Okay, try it now.
Ice cream away.
Why don't I just come over there?
Wait. I think I've got it.
Look, it's the ice cream queen.
No, look. I'm walking to you.
I know how you could be faster than the ice cream queen.
How?
We're going to turn you into Captain Scoops, the ice cream superhero.
Wow. Me? A superhero? Hi. Would anyone like some ice cream? Looks like a job for Captain Scoops!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.